Mr. Hooper was a teacher. He taught English 101. He taught English 101 at a small college. His students were not rich. His students were poor. Books cost a lot of money. The English 101 book cost a lot of money. Mr. Hooper had a good idea. He wrote his own book. He wrote his own English 101 book. The book was 100 pages. He put the book online. His students downloaded the book. His students printed all 100 pages. The new book was cheap. The new book was cheap to print. His students liked the new book. They thanked Mr. Hooper. Mr. Hooper talked to the math teacher. Mr. Miller taught Math 101. He liked the new book idea. He wrote his own Math 101 book. His students downloaded the new book. They printed the new book. They liked the new Math 101 book. They thanked Mr. Miller.